See, what we don't know is there's a little boy living in the attic, and he's controlling them.
No, I can't get in. Go in, you little furry bastards. Look,
Oh, yeah,
look at him, look at him.
Look at it.
Soon there will be no bats in the sky. Birds, birds, the birds.
Chimney, not a single one has came out. Why?
I'd say there's no one living here and they're nesting up. They're probably community
That is
birds.
a lot of birds in one chimney.
Look at them, look at them, look at them. They're like, dive, dive.
There was a whole swarm of them.
What?
Circle around, people, circle around.
That house has one.
I just wanted to like slam open the door and go, I'm here. Wait, watch him, watch him.
Look at that. That's amazing.
They're all going in there.
Yeah, bats come out at night. Don't go. They don't go in. Hi, kitty.
Oh man, what the hell?
Aw.
What'd you do?
It's so pretty. It's got
got a
a
collar.
on it.
No, they're birds. They're going into this house by the millions.
You should have seen, there was like probably 10 times as many birds out here.
You know if anybody lives here?
It's really weird.
Okay.